Hey, my name is Lucas with AnywhereDealer. I hope everyone is selling lots and lots of inventory this week. Today I would love to show you how to configure and operate your CRM SMS messaging system within your AnywhereDealer backend. So as always, we need to start at your AnywhereDealer website, and we'll go ahead and add /admin to your web URL. From here you'll see your login screen. You'll want to enter in your email, your password, optionally click remember me, and log in. So depending on your credentials, you'll see user management, keywords, website, CRM, and your vehicle inventory. Today we will only need the CRM subsection. So we'll want to drop down on CRM. The first step to using your CRM is you'll want to set up your sales round robin. From here we can see our average response times, lead totals, and calendar events created for today, this week, and this month. At this screen, to start, we'll want to click Add Sales Seat to add our first weighted round robin agent. So from here, I'm going to go ahead and add myself to the system with a single weight of 1. Once we click Save and Back, it'll bring us back to the screen. As you can see, I am now getting 100% of all leads. And for example, if I were to add another agent, Ben Smith, with a weight of 3, now I'm only receiving 25% of the leads, and Ben, Mr. Smith, is receiving 75. So I'm going to go ahead and delete him because I want all the leads. Perfect. So from here, I can see the number of leads assigned, the last assigned lead, the average response time for each agent, and I also have the option to reset analytics. So for instance, if somebody goes on vacation and they're accidentally assigned leads, we can reset the analytics right here for that user. So after setting up the weighted round robin, we will want to go to the CRM settings. From here, we have the option to enable the lead board, enable external redirection, redirect using store inventory ADF email. And so if you need external redirection, you'll want to do that right here. You can either choose to use your inventory email or a global ADF email for all of your inventory leads. From the redirect type, you can choose whether you're sending a ADF body, file, or body and file. Below that is what we're looking at today, is the customer messaging SMS section. We'll want to enable that, clicking this toggle. It will want to put in our Anywhere Dealer assigned phone number. This is also comma separated if you have multiple numbers from here. And this is the phone number all your messages will be incoming and outgoing. Below that, you have lead notifications. This is the delivery type of notifications to your agents. So whether they're getting an email notification or an SMS notification, you can choose that right here within toggles. For the sake of this tutorial, we can just enable both. If you're using just the system, you don't want notifications, you also have the lead inbox, which is real time. So to demonstrate this, we'll go ahead and save our settings. We will put this to the side, and let's go ahead and load up our lead inbox. We'll put this to the side, and let's go shopping. So we're on a Anywhere Dealer website. I really like this Buick Envision. I'm going to compare that and save it. I like this Mazda. I'm going to add it to my compare list. Really like this Chrysler. I thought I saw a nice truck up here. Okay, Silverado, cool. So I'm gonna add that to my compare and I'm gonna save it. I'm gonna look through the photos. Yeah, I really like this. Let's go further with it. So from here I can go through the specs, and I'm gonna want to book a test drive on this for sure. So from here I'm gonna put in my customer information as if I'm a user, Lucas Hare. I'm gonna add a comment maybe. How about I want to test drive this truck, please. So from here, as a user, I'll want to submit this. But for this demonstration, I'm going to go ahead and bring over a phone and the lead inbox, side by side. So when the user submits this book test drive, we're going to expect 3 notifications: one on the inbox, one on the text message which just came, and then an email notification. So inbox was first, I think text was second. So from here we got an email. I can click the email and it's going to show us, yes, here's the lead from the customer, their name, full name, their phone number. I can click this to call them, and then their comment, general information about the vehicle, and from here I can actually mark it as answered, or I can view the lead on the back end. By viewing the lead, I'll get more information about that customer, such as when they submitted, if there's email information like that. Here we go. You will also get a SMS notification if you have it enabled. So I'll click here. New lead received from Anywhere Development. Lucas Hare. It'll have your dealership name. And so if you have multiple dealerships, it'll show you the exact one with the customer's name and the inventory they're asking about. So once you get that notification, you can come to the inbox and message back. Another cool feature, so what we're going over today is the SMS messages. So for that, I will click right here, and this has essentially the exact same latency as the SMS inbox, but from here you can actually directly respond to the customers themselves through your Anywhere Dealer assigned phone number. From here I can search different leads. I can see all the leads for the day. I can mark them as complete. And if you have long conversations, you're scrolling back and forth, you can push down. I can also view the customer's lead. So the customer information, what form they submitted, their phone number, and their vehicle of interest. So I'll click done. So the customer sent this lead. I'm going to want to reply back to them. Instead of directly typing back, I can actually use AI to directly respond. So here's my customer phone. So I'm using the same phone number for both sides. So hello, I'm Lucas from Anywhere Development. Let's schedule a test drive for the 2020 Chevy Silverado 1500. What day works best for you? So these are AI generated canned responses, and it will start learning off of you. So if you use your first and last name, typically it'll use it here. If you, depending on how you talk, it'll try to kind of match closely to how you talk. So I'm going to go ahead and send that. Hello, I'm Lucas here from Anywhere Dealer. Let's schedule a test drive. If I like this, I can go ahead and send it. I'm going to change this to Anywhere Dealer. Let's schedule a test drive. What day works best for you? So let's send that over. And you can see now the customer gets that. As a customer, I can go ahead and respond with, hello, Lucas. Next Tuesday works for me. I can respond. From here as an agent, great. How about 2 p.m.? And then as a customer, I can respond 2 p.m. works great. I will be there. Thank you. And now I can add that to the calendar if I so choose as a calendar event. Once I am done talking to the user, thank you. See you soon. See you then. I'm going to go ahead and send that message. And so what I can do is actually mark this as complete. Are you sure you want to mark it as complete? Yes. So now no conversations are available. All conversations have been completed. If the customer messages back, this will actually pop that message back open, just in case they have more questions, need to know anything else. Sweet. Perfect. So that's everything with the CRM. If y'all have any questions, just leave them down in the comments or text, call the support directly. We're always available to help out. If you have any ideas, that's perfect as well. The phone app will soon be out for this system, and it'll make it even more intuitive. Awesome. Thank you. Have a good day.